This is part 2 of the video that I did earlier. Sorry, the video got disconnected. I received a call and I had to upload the half first. Alright, so I had put in some pillows which I already cleaned those ones. This is the last one of them which I've already dried, and I'll pull it out from the dryer, or rather from the drying tub. I think that's the correct word. So okay, so there we go. I'll still continue with some washing. I had a few clothes to wash, and I already put them in this the bigger tub for washing. And those clothes were really dirty. Look at the water. You see the water is already dirty, so which means the machine is doing what's supposed to be done, or rather is supposed to be doing cleaning, or rather washing. So probably I can show you how I did set, or how I set. Sorry, pardon my English. Up here on the right side, is it right, left? Yes, right side, we have the setting buttons. For instance, it does the wash up to 15 minutes. So I'll do set the time to 15 minutes, and immediately I do that, you see what happens to the tub. It starts spinning the clothes as it washes. On the wash, this one only has two options, the normal or the gentle wash. For me, these I'll classify it as a normal wash, so I set the button up to the normal wash. Then this last one is for drying, which sets the time up to 5 minutes. In 5 minutes the clothes should be dry or close to dry, because it doesn't dry clothes completely unless probably you're ironing them. Some of them, if they are light, you can pull them out and just iron, they'll be good to go. If not, if you have some heavy clothes like the ones I'm laundering over, you'll have to air dry them. You'll have to put them in the sun or something, but it will take a very short time for it to dry. So for this particular cloth, because as you've seen from the water, it had already cleaned, I don't intend to do the wash for the entire 15 minutes. So what I do, I'll drain it. So I'll stop the wash. So I'll rotate it anti-clockwise. There you go. It will lock and stop running. Then I will clockwise set the drain button up to that corner. Once I do so, I believe you can hear the sound. There goes the draining tube. It takes out the water. So I usually put it in a place where the water can drain out, like the bathroom floor. After that, it will drain for about 3-4 minutes. So after that, I will put some fresh water. We should be clean for rinsing the clothes. So as I told you earlier, this is a very manual machine. I've never had a a completely automatic one, so I don't know how it goes. But anyway, I'm grateful for what I have today at the time, right? We have it all together. And there are levels, my friend. There are levels. So until I get to that level, I'll use what I have. So like this, can see what is coming in. So I just leave it until it fills up the tub. So my tub